Hey guys, we got some fresh guava, so let's make some guava sorbet or ice cream. So we're gonna make this super creamy, delightful ice cream. I'm using a Ninja speeder to make this, and it just uses 3 ingredients: fresh guava, fresh bananas or ripe bananas, as well as a little bit of lemon juice, and it's perfectly fine. There's no sugar needed. I don't add sugar, I don't add milk. How I prepare guava is like this. I basically take off the bottom parts and the top part, and I will scoop out the seeds. The skin is edible as well as the internal meat, and they're both sweet, and I really like the taste of it. So we'll go ahead and carefully take out all the little seeds, because if they get in your teeth, they hurt. So taking out these little hard seeds makes it very easy to eat. In fact, I normally eat guava this way. I just basically take out the seeds, take off the top and bottom, and I just eat guavas when they're super ripe. Now for this, I'm gonna have to chop up into little bits so that when it goes through the Ninja Creami, it grinds it through and basically mashes it all together. We're also going to mix this up with a banana and some lime juice or lemon juice, so that it's, it just has a nice tang and pucker to it, but at the same time, the bananas will make this thing creamy and with that texture, but the guava is already very sweet and has a nice soft texture to it. Now I'm only taking half a lime or lemon and squeezing the juices on it. And that's pretty much all my guava, all diced up to that. I'm taking about 4 bananas here, and they are pretty ripe, but not super ripe, just ripe enough that they're soft. And they're super sweet. So I'm gonna chop them into little bits too, just like that. I'm gonna put them in a big mixing bowl and mix the entire mixture together. Basically the bananas, the guava, a little bit of lime juice or lemon juice. Mix it all together, make sure it's nice and well mixed, because what we're gonna do is shove this all into the Ninja Creami's little bucket container thing, the freezer container. So as you can see, it's pretty compact, but I'm going to compact it some more so that all the fruit fit in there. Now just keep on doing this until all the fruit goes in. 4 bananas and a bowl full of ripe small guava. Yeah, fits all there. Might make sure it's nice and level so that, when the Ninja Creami grinds it down, it has to be in a level surface. So we're going to put that in for 24 hours, let it freeze to hard. We're going to put it in the Ninja Creami, set it to sorbet mode. It'll grind it in 4 minutes, and it becomes a super delightful, super creamy sorbet. Now, we'll go ahead and scoop this into I think there's a 32-ounce freezer container. I put all my ice cream sorbets that I make into these containers so I could use the creamy mixing bowl again to freeze the new thing. So I'm going to smooth it out, and it is ready to serve immediately. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.